So, hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Learning Phonics. I'm Apurva, and in today's episode, we are going to learn the milk truck rule. That is correct. The milk truck rule. So, most of you must have not heard of this rule called as the milk truck rule before. All right, so let me tell you how this rule works. So, have you seen children do not understand when to use the letter K and when to use CK to make the sound K in the end of any word? So why children? Sometimes even we get confused when to use K and when to use CK in the end, right? I'm sure we all have been there. But today I'm going to tell you how to understand what to use. So when you hear a short vowel sound, okay? Short vowel sound. Short vowel sound, that is a, e, I, o and a. So when you hear a short vowel sound before the k sound, okay, it is going to be spelled with CK, okay, it's going to be spelled with CK, as in d, a, k. See, U says is a short vowel sound, hence you are going to use the CK to make the k sound in the end, okay? And when you hear a long vowel sound, okay, when you hear a long vowel sound or consonant sound, you are going to spell the k sound with a K, with just a K, okay? As in b, e, k. See, beak. It's a long vowel sound, right? It's a long vowel sound, and hence you use the K to spell the k sound. So we will see the examples number first. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's write the words here first, and then we will decide that it will be in the milk or it will be in the truck section, okay? So this one is the truck and this one is the milk, okay? Let's see. So the first word is going to be Tusk, okay? Now listen carefully. What is the sound? T, t, s, k, okay? So what is the sound before the k sound? It's S, right? So S is a consonant, S is a consonant. So where is it going to be? It is going to be under milk here. So t, usk, tusk, number one, okay? Very good. Now next word we're going to see is rock. What is the sound before k? O, k, o, right? O is the short sound or the long sound? Yes, it is the short sound. So short sound before the k sound is going to be followed by a ck, right? So we are going to put it under the truck rule, okay? So rock. See, simple as that. Now next word, I'm going to say it, you're going to hear it, and then you're going to tell me, okay? So next word is duck. The next word is duck. So what sound can you hear before the k sound? Is it a short sound or is it a long sound or a consonant? So d, a, k. So before k there is a. That is correct. So a is a short sound or a long sound or a consonant? That is correct. It is a short sound. So where is it going to be? It's going to be under the truck rule. Very good. So what are we going to put? First we are going to d, a, and for k, what are we going to use? ck, because why? Because it has a short sound before it. Correct. Now next one we are going to see is, I'll give you the word, that is honk. Honk. Now can you hear and tell me what is the sound before the k sound? Honk. K. See, that is correct. That is correct. The sound, that is the consonant. So consonant before the k sound, it's going to be under the milk section. Very good. So number 2, write down. H says oh, ho, k. So now what we are going to use? We're going to use simple K. That is correct. So I hope now you have understood the milk truck rule. All right. So if this video has helped you in any way, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Learning Phonics for more such videos. Until next time, see you.